Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
We learned in the last lesson, Lightroom Classic CC uses modules to organize its various tools and features. Each module provides tools used for a specific aspect of photographic workflow. Let's look at a brief overview of Lightroom Classic CC's 7 distinct modules. The Library module is considered the home base of Lightroom Classic CC. The Library module provides many of Lightroom's primary organizational features. From within the Library module, you can manage, sort, compare, and rate the photos in your catalog. The Develop module lets you make enhancements and adjustments to photos in your catalog. Using the Develop module, you can adjust the color and tonal scale of photos, remove red eye, crop photos, and make other appearance corrections. When you use Lightroom Classic CC to make adjustments to photos, the edits are non-destructive. This means that editing a photo within Lightroom Classic CC does not alter the original file. Because of this, you can use Lightroom to experiment with photos and create different versions of photos without impacting your original image data. The Map module shows you where your photos were captured using a Google map. When you take a photograph, most modern cameras, including cell phone cameras, record GPS coordinates within each photo's metadata. Lightroom Classic CC's Map module uses GPS coordinates from a photo's metadata to plot the photo on the map. Even if your camera doesn't record GPS coordinates, you can add locations manually using the Map module. It's worth keeping in mind that you must be online in order to use the Map module. The Book module provides tools for designing photographic books from the photos in your catalog. After designing a photo book using the Book module, you can save the book as an Adobe PDF, or you can save the work as individual JPEG files. You can even upload photo books directly to the on-demand print website blurb.com and then order high-quality printed versions of your creations. The Slideshow module, as the name suggests, lets you create slideshows from selected photos in your catalog. Using the Slideshow module, you can select from different layout templates, add transitions between slides, and choose playback options. You can even use the Slideshow module to add text to slides and modify existing layout templates, which allows for a high level of slideshow customization. The Print module provides tools for printing photos and contact sheets from your printer. Using the Print module, you can select from a variety of preloaded page layout templates especially designed for printing. You can also modify templates, add text to your printed pages, and choose settings for print color management, resolution, and sharpening printed images. Finally, Lightroom Classic CC includes a Web module. Using the Web module, you can create web photo galleries from the photos in your catalog. When you create a web photo gallery, thumbnail versions of images from the gallery link to larger versions of the photos. Like other Lightroom Classic CC modules, the Web module provides a variety of templates to choose from, as well as controls that let you customize templates. The Web module even allows you to specify settings for uploading a gallery to a web server. In future chapters, we'll explore the functioning and features of each module in much greater detail. For now, it is important to understand that each module is designed to help you accomplish a different part of the photographic workflow process. Before learning the specific functions of each tool included with Lightroom Classic CC, it is very helpful to develop an overall understanding of where different tools can be found within the software platform.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.